Okay, ito nakita ko. Limang multong nakunan sa camera kay Sir Crips ulit.
Ito sa isang TikTok user na hindi na niya maalala ang pangalan. Ayon sa kwento nito, alas 3 na madaling araw ay nagising siya at naisipan niyang i-check ang kanilang CCTV. At laking gulat niya nang may makita di man na siyang kakaiba.
Hulto edition, sumigaw buong bahay, full transmission. Kung kinilabutan ka, click subscription. Rewind, rewind, taas sa apparition.
Mula sa CCTV footage na ito, makikita ang animoy isang tao na lumabas mula sa pintuan ng kanilang bahay at tila ba tumagos ito sa kanilang bakod.
Creepy naman yung tumatagos na yan.
Ayon sa ating sender, sa tingin ng uploader ng video ito ay posibleng ang maalamat na Hatman o ang nilalang o entity na nagpapakita bilang isang itim na figura ng tao na merong sombrero. Pero kayo, posible nga kaya na ang Hatman ang nakuhanan sa video ito? Kayo na bakalang umusga. Ang
Red lady.
yung ito ay ipinadala naman sa atin ng isa sa ating mga viewers na tumangking magpakilala. At kuha naman di man ito sa kanilang barangay na hindi ko na lang din papangalanan. Ayon sa ating sender ay kuha ang bidyong ito alas 3 ng madaling araw nang may makita di man na siyang isang red lady. Narito ang
Creepy niya, red lady.
video at pagmasdan mo ito ng mabuti.
Ay. Ano yun? Creepy oh.
Mula sa bidyong ito makikita ang animo isang babae na may kulay pulang kasuotan na naglalakad at may hawak na tungkod. At ayon pa sa ating sender ay kapansin-pansin pa di umano na tila wala itong anino.
Creepy.
Ayon pa sa ating sender ay matagal na di umano kwento-kwento na may mga multo sa kanilang lugar. Pero hindi niya inaasahan na magagawa niya rin itong makuhanan. Nanindigan din siya na ang bidyong ito ay totoo at hindi ito gawa-gawa lang. Pero katulad pa rin ng palagi kong sinasabi, nasa inyo na kung maniniwala ba kayo o hindi.
Creepy nung nakapulo. Asher Walton House.
Ang twin paranormal team na binubuo ni Ryan, Wyatt at Trevor ay sinubukang mag-imbestiga sa Asher Walton House na isa sa pinakasikat na haunted house sa buong US. Ang bahay na ito ay ipinatayo ni Asher Walton taong 1858 bilang simbolo ng kanyang naging tagumpay sa buhay. Pero sa paglipas ng mga taon habang tumatanda ang gusaling ito, ay naging kalakip na rin ito ang mga kwentong kababalaghan na nagmula sa iba't ibang mga tao. Sa kasalukuyan, pinaniniwalaan na ang bahay na ito ay pinamumugara ng mga multo. At isa nga sa pinakasikat na kwento tungkol dito ay ang multo ng tinatawag nilang Lady in White na madalas di man
May white lady.
nung nakikitang dumutungo sa bintana. At sinubukan nga mag-imbestiga ng grupo para alamin kung totoo nga bang haunted ang bahay na ito.
The three of us came here a month ago. We were here almost all night. We started hearing things as soon as we entered this home. Now, unfortunately, throughout the night, you weren't very active. So we decided to come back and give it another try. We would love to talk to each and every one of you.
Where is that one? Right here?
What's going on?
There's a device going off somewhere. I don't know what one it is.
May kumakatok oh.
What was that?
Some places have some sort of darker energy, and as I said that,
Tumutulog yung iPad.
my bell just went twice?
Did you hear the floor creak right before that too?
No.
That was right in this room.
As I said something about this darker entity, I heard a loud crash in the house.
What was that?
There's an
This?
Guys, I just heard a voice. I just heard a voice.
Are you in
Yung narinig ko parang, parang gumanon lang eh.
Asher G. Walton's room?
Wait, that's where the woman with the white dress looks out the window.
This is getting weird.
If you're in that room, can you touch that again? What the?
Creepy oh.
Shut up. What happened?
Something right in front of me, dude. Right in front of me. There's a doll. There's a doll. No. Look.
What's going on?
That was 100% that doll. I know for a fact because when we were mapping that camera, that was standing straight up.
Oh, dude, it's on a little stand too. Do I pick it up?
Yeah, pick it up and put it on the stand.
Please talk to me.
A doll just fell.
I got an idea.
Yeah, that base is super strong.
I mean,
Nahulog yung manika, creepy.
even sitting on a squishy chair, it still stands.
Is there anybody in here with me?
Okay, let's leave it.
Can you touch that
That's
bell, please?
crazy that I looked in here and that happened.
You hear that?
Yeah, where
Give me a sign.
Meron na naman oh.
Thank you. We are here for a conversation and not to upset anybody here.
Was that one?
Wait, was that yours?
No.
What the? It was in here.
The room again?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Did you guys hear that?
Was that you, right?
No.
Please, if you can, make a loud noise somewhere for us. It's switching back and forth.
Active na paramdam mo.
Dude.
They're in there. They're in these, like, their respective rooms.
Holy
What?
I just felt and heard a footstep, more of like a thump, to the left of me. Is somebody in here?
Meron.
Guys, there is somebody in here. Somebody, something, I don't know what's going on. Can you speak into this device, please?
You should know how to use them by now.
Who's in here? Can you give me a name?
Children.
Children! Guess where I am?
He's in the nursery.
I'm in the nursery.
Well, if there's children here, can you give us a sign, please? We have this device that's sitting right at the end of the hall here. It'll make a ringing sound. Maybe you want to...
Music.
Creepy oh.
Kind of like music.
Nagumpisang may dokumento ng grupo ang mga pagtunog ng kanilang mga device, pati na rin ang mga ingay na nagmumula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bahay. At habang si Ryan ay nasa loob ng nursery room, ay nakarinig siya ng mga yabag sa loob at binanggit ng kanilang device ang salitang children na tumutugma sa mga kwento na may mga batang multo di umano sa lugar na ito.
Is there anybody still in here with me?
Anthony.
Anthony!
Anthony?
Yell.
Yell!
We just heard a really odd noise, Rod.
Who made that noise? Can you do it again, please?
Creepy dyan.
Is the bathroom down there opening or something?
I don't know. Go ahead, we hear you trying. You can do it again, we're ready.
I love how we're just in this doorway.
Scary.
Give me a sign. Is the kid with the suspenders here?
That was it. That was it. Did you just hear that? What's in this room?
You didn't do that?
No, I did not do that. Now that we're not moving, can you please make a loud bang or something?
Is there a dark entity here by any chance?
Keep eyes open.
Sumasagot.
Me.
Me? Oh!
What the
Keep.
Dude.
After you just stood up, I swear to God I just heard someone run up these stairs. That's where they see the shadow in the bathroom.
So you are the dark entity? Where did you come from?
Active eh, no?
Your device said happiness.
Anthony.
Anthony!
Helpful.
Helpful! Whoa!
Wait, what? That's twice. Did anybody else hear that?
Yeah.
That was so high pitched it made my ears ring.
Is that you trying to use energy or communicate? Why should we leave? It's exactly what I heard in this closet. Exactly. It was like a groaning, like a moaning, like a woman. I heard it, and I'm pretty sure I caught it on camera.
Creepy naman ang active naman dyan.
What the? That was a full-blown voice.
Where are you?
Do that again, please.
Every time I have talked about the entity, something has happened.
Lalaki pala na si Cruella.
True.
Either something has been said, or something has happened. What the f? Is there a closet?
There is
Look in the closet now.
Empty.
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 Did somebody just pound on this door? It's just full of
Patuloy silang nakakarinig ng mga tunog at yabag na tila ba may iba pang kumikilo sa loob ng bahay bukod sa kanilang tatlo, at nagumpisa na rin silang makarinig ng mga boses. Matapos ito, napagpasyahan naman ng tatlo na magiwahiwalay sa mga kwarto ng palapag kung nasaan sila.
That just.
Control. Corner.
corner. You sure the noise was in the hallway?
I don't know. Where was that noise?
Dude?
None of you guys made a noise.
Nope.
My name is Albert.
Albert!
Who's Albert? Are you a
Albert Martinez.
little kid?
Everybody heard someone punch the wall, right?
Yeah.
I heard that.
You swear you didn't move? I have this old camera. It has flash on it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a photo to the left. I don't know if I'm going to catch anything, but I'm gonna see what I can get. Guys,
Yeah, what the f?
did you just hear that hissing?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
I heard that shit.
Where did that come from?
Shh.
May mga yabag.
My family is here.
Oh! My family!
Gulo to gulo Checheran, no? Checheran.
Who's your family? The Walton family?
I can see you all.
Whoa! Whoa! Albert? We can't see you. Ah!
What?
Albert? We can't see you. Ah!
What?
Never mind.
What?
I'm so sorry. Holy. I'm like so shaken up. I don't know what to do.
Knock.
Knock.
Yes, please.
I'm standing among you.
Oh. What?
Mine said I'm standing among you.
I told you, dude. I saw a head. I've never seen anything like this.
They do rituals.
What? Did I just see somebody poke their head through the wall? Did you just... Dude? You didn't do that, Wyatt?
No, I didn't move.
That was the hallway. Something's happening. Can you show me again? I apologize.
Be wary of him.
Be wary of him. The one I just saw?
Did you hear that?
You hear it?
Yeah. It's exactly what we've been hearing.
Who exactly do we need to be wary of? Are you walking in the
Creepy dyan sa ano na yan.
hallway?
Nope, I'm laying right here. Shut up. I hear it.
Dude, that was clear as day, walking right there.
My device said here.
The woman is here.
The woman is here! You talking about the woman in white?
Permission.
Permission, right? I think they just gave you permission for a photo.
Where are you?
I see the lights.
I see the lights! Are you talking about the flashing? That's me trying to take a photo. Guys,
What?
I got an orb.
No way on that camera?
Very visual orb.
On the walls.
On the wall! There's an orb on the wall. Look.
Sinubukan ni Ryan na kumuha ng mga litrato at nagulat siya nang bigla na lang di mo na siyang makakita ng mukha sa dingding. At ayon sa kanilang mga viewers, ay makikita di mo na sa bahaging ito ang isang puting imahe na posible di umanong ang mukha na nakita ni Ryan ng mga oras na ito.
Creepy oh.
Matapos nito, bagamat kinilabutan ng gusto si Ryan dahil sa kanyang nakita, ay ipinagpatuloy pa rin nila ang kanilang pag-iimbestiga.
I'm gonna knock twice. Feel free to knock back.
I'm starting to get anxiety.
I didn't quite hear that one. Can you do it again?
Door.
Are you scratching? Are you knocking? You making noises with your mouth? What are you doing?
Nakarinig ang tatlo ng mga pagkatok at binanggit ng kanilang device ang salitang door. At sa paglabas nga ng tatlo sa pasilyong ito, makikita mula sa pintuang ito ang paglabas ng isang puting imahe.
Hindi ba talaga yan? Parang daga eh. Parang daga.
Ang mga tunog at mga pagpaparamdam kayang ito na naitokomento ng grupo ay mga patunay na totoong haunted ang Asher Walton House. Mga multo nga kaya ang nakuhana ng kanilang kamera? Kayo, ano sa palagay nyo? Ang video ito ay ipinadala naman sa atin ng isa sa ating mga viewers na si Jermaine. At kuha naman di umano ang video ito mula sa livestream
Nagla-live selling pa oh.
ng isang seller ng mga t-shirts sa TikTok. Narito ang video at pagmasdan mo ito ng mabuti.
Nasaan dyan? Gumalaw yung maskara sa likod.
Habang abala ang seller na ito sa pagpapakita ng kanyang mga paninda, makikita mula sa bahaging ito ang biglang paggalaw ng isang
Ay.
maskara na agad namang napansin ng kanyang mga livestream viewers. Ayon sa ating sender ay hindi di umano maipaliwanag ng TikTok seller na ito kung paano gumalaw ang maskara sa kanyang likuran. Pero kayo, ano sa tingin
Creepy oh, gumalaw bigla oh.
nyo ang dahilan ng paggalaw ng maskarang ito?
Multo sa school.
Ang bidyong ito ay ipinadala naman sa atin ng isa sa ating mga viewers na si Mark Sandoval Balbon. At ipinadala di umano ito sa kanya ng kanyang kabarkada. Nakuha naman ng isa sa mga kaklase nito isang gabi sa kanilang eskwelahan na kung saan habang sila ay papauwi ay nakarinig di umano sila ng boses ng isang babae na umiiyak.
Ay, ang creepy.
Okay guys. Nag-end na guys.
Para kumakanta babae. Umiiyak.
Nag-end na guys.
Yun ang parang nagwawala oh.
Nag-end na guys.
Mula sa bidyong ito, maririnig nga ang animoy boses ng isang babae na umiiyak at nagmumula ito sa loob ng kanilang eskwelahan. Sinubukan nilang kumuha ng mga litrato ng mga sandaling ito at mula nga sa isa sa mga litrato ay nakuha na naman nila ito.
Lo, nakasilip oh.
Mula sa litratong ito makikita ang animoy isang tao na nakatitig sa kanila mula sa ikatlong palapag ng gusaling ito ng kanilang eskwelahan.
Creepy oh.
Ayon pa di umano sa may-ari ng bidyong ito, ay wala namang ibang taong naroon bukod sa kanila at sa guard ng eskwelahan. Kung kaya naman wala silang ideya kung kanino nagmumula ang mga boses na ito at kung sino ang nakuhanan nila sa litratong ito. At dito
Okay, kakat na natin ito guys at tapos na yan. Subscribe nyo sa Sir Crips. So, sa mga nagustuhan itong reaction video natin guys, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Hanggang next week na lang ulit. Maraming salamat. Thank you and bye-bye.
Rolling cam. Check mic. Tara na. Madilim na kanto. Sumama ka. Biga nyo sa screen. Sabay sigaw. Kung mahina lobot mo, back out now. Hey! Door, wreck, slow, pan-ilaw pula. Comment section bro. Huwag kang pumasok dyan. Ha! Sa likod may anino. Frame 1 to 2. Pause, zooming in. Nakita mo? Mamalon yung chat, puro loads naman. May kumalabog sa taas, walang kasama dyan. Huminga ng malalim, sige push pa rin. Kapag trending sulit, bawat kilig at kilabutan. Di ano reaction, multo edition. Sumigaw buong bahay, full transmission. Kung kinilabutan ka, click subscription. Rewind, rewind, para sa apparition. Big ano reaction. Big ano reaction, multo edition. Slow-mo, zooming fan, by frame vision. Pag may dumaan sa likod ng confirmation. Comment, ibig nakita ko, full conviction. Guys, pakinggan nyo to, sabay kahit sa headset. May boses na pabulong riot. Thermocam sa hallway, malamig na spot. Kung may nandyan, pakigaraw ng upuan shot. Lights flick, jump cut, sabay tawa pilit. Okay pa